If you want to know how to fix Snapchat video call not working, you've come to right place. So if we'll open our Snapchat and I'll try to video call someone, for example, through my friends list, so I can easily open the profile and basically click on video call icon. And as you can see, basically now everything is working and I can easily video call this guy. And what if you don't have this option? How can we fix it? Basically, in order to do it, we just simply need to close the Snapchat. And from this page here, I recommend you to open the App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile type. And here search for Snapchat. So sometimes we need to update the app to be able to use video calls, and the guy we are trying to video call also should have the latest version of the app. This could be the number one reason why can you have these problem. And this is definitely the easiest way. And the other thing we need to fix is that we need to open our settings, and here scroll down on the iPhone, it looks like this. So we need to open a Snapchat settings, and here make sure that the access to microphone and camera is turned on, and also we need to turn on the background app refresh, as you can see this feature in the bottom of the first area. So after that we can try to reopen the Snapchat and we'll try to video call once more. But if it still doesn't work, I recommend you to reinstall the app. So you can delete and then just reinstall it through App Store or Google Play. And after that, hopefully this problem will be automatically solved. And if it's still not, the last reason I guess is that you are don't have the ability, is that your device is not supported for this feature on Snapchat. So you can try to call through WhatsApp, through Telegram, and some other medias. So this is a way of how can we fix a Snapchat video call not working. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.